Good morning, students. So once again I recall the properties of a determinants. It is very important. So 7 properties are completed. What is the first property? 2 rows are. So the value of the determinant cannot be interchanged if rows and columns are interchanged. That means that A equal to that of A transpose. 2 rows are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. If any row or any column is 0, the value of the determinant is 0. If any value multiplied by any row or any column k, then the value of the determinant is multiplied by k. That means k is the above property. K is a common factor from any row or any column. So one determinant sum of can be expressed as sum of the 1 or 2 determinants. Is clear? Some problems are told again. If minus is there, already explanation is given. Some techniques also I told. The techniques, based on the techniques you have to finish it. Easiest you apply operations, either row operation or column operation. That means here clearly in these problems 1 4 marks question guarantee I told. So important questions also I told. That means here RHS value is given nothing but minus is there nothing but subtraction of rows or subtraction of columns. That means 2 operations. If R2 gives R2 minus R1 nothing but second operation R3 gives R3 minus R1 applicable. If common value is come or not verified, that's all. That is not exist nothing but go for column operation. C2 gives C2 minus C1, C3 gives C3 minus C1. If a plus is there nothing but, in RHS plus terms are there nothing but either adding all rows or adding all columns. These 4 operations only, dear students. These 4 operations you have to apply. It is very simple. You can finish it. Okay. Now, next question. So already 9 problems are completed. 10th problem. Question number 10. First one. Det of x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4 equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Okay. Now, solution. Given that det of x plus 4, 2x, okay, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4. Now look at here RHS value. That is very important. What is RHS value? 5x plus 4 is there. 4 minus x whole square is there. 5x plus here plus term is there nothing but either adding rows or adding columns. Adding rows or adding columns nothing but look at here. Observe the value is come or not. What value verified is. First adding with rows 2x, x plus 2x, 3x plus 2x, 5x. The 5x plus 4 is came or not? It is came. That means adding with rows. If some students doubt arises, column also verify. See C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3, nothing but x plus 2x, 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x plus 4 is there. In this particular problem, either apply row operation or column operation. Maximum try to first row operation B. Now R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3. That out. So R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3, nothing but what happened here, like this one, top to bottom. X plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x, here also 2x, x plus 4 plus 2x, 2x, x plus 4, now 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4. Now clearly 5x plus 4, net of 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4. So first value, common factor from first one, 5x plus 4 is outside. 1, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4. Now beginning only I told here 1 is there, nothing but you apply column operation. So maximum number of zeros required. C2 gives C2 minus C1, C3 gives C3 minus C1. Reverse one twisted, I told you. No easiest method. You add with rows, nothing but next one, subtraction of columns. Here add with columns, nothing but subtraction of rows of the middle. 1 is there, nothing but beginning I told column operations. Here 1 is there, nothing but row operation. Number of zeros required from the value of the determinant. Now what happened here? C2 gives C2 minus C1, C3 gives C3 minus C1. Now 5x plus 4 into, so first column is constant, 1, 2x common, left to right, 1 minus 1, x plus 4 minus 2x, 2x minus 2x, that is the column C2. C3 gives C3 minus C1, nothing but 1 minus 1, 2x minus 2x, x plus 4 minus 2x. Clear? Now 5x plus 4 into net of 1, 0, 0, 2x, x minus 2x, nothing but it is a minus x. So 4 minus x, 0, 2x, 0, it is a 4 minus x. Therefore, here number of zeros are there. Maximum number of zeros, nothing but the problem can be simplified very easy. Solving the determinant values very easy. Now 5x plus 4 into 1 into corresponding row, corresponding column delete AD minus BC. 4 minus x into 4 minus x only. Remaining terms, 0 into something is 0, 0 terms, don't write. Therefore 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x, it is 4 minus x. Tell me. 4 minus x whole square. That's it. Okay. This is your RHS value. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Add with plus terms are there, add with rows or add with columns. If any value, one value observe, one value, same value is come, automatically remaining two values also come. That's all. So this is verse 10, the first one. Next question. Second question. Second question. Det of y plus k, y plus ky, y plus k is equal to k square into 3y plus k. Again here plus term is there. Okay. Solution. Given that det of y plus k, y plus ky, y plus k. Clear? Now plus term is there. Plus term is there nothing but previous problem I told you. Plus is there nothing but add with rows or add with the column. Observe. It is won't come nothing but then go for little either multiplication or addition. First of all you think y plus y, 2y plus y, 3y plus k is there or not? Again here rows operation exists. Here also y by 2y plus y, 3y plus k is the row operation or column operation. Add with rows. Plus term is there nothing but addition of rows or addition of columns. Observe. Therefore R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3 det of what happened here, y plus k plus y plus y plus k plus y plus k. Clear? Now y plus k, y plus k. Det of that is 3y plus k, 3y plus k, 3y plus k. y plus k, y plus k. So first column 3y plus k, first row is a common factor. 3y plus k common. 3y plus k is common. Net of what happened here? 1 y plus k, y plus k. So 1 is there nothing but subtraction of columns. So I told beginning only. So here add with rows nothing but subtraction of columns. Otherwise starting I told. So one hint also given. 1 is there nothing but 0, it is cancelled, it is scalar. So in this determinant, more zeros are there, you simplify direct method. Now positive, negative, positive. 3y plus k into corresponding row, corresponding column. So 1 into k into k, k is k. That means 1 into k into k. Corresponding straight row, straight column means AD minus BC. Zeros not into right. Therefore 3y plus k into k, k is k. It is k or not clearly? It is k. Is clear? 3y plus k into k is k. That's it. So, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ RHS ನೋಡಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if it is minus is there, nothing but subtraction of rows or subtraction of columns exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎರಡು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಟಿಲ್ modify the given problem. Ultimately RHS value required. So whatever we have to apply the operations, ultimately RHS value answer is very, very important. Okay, next question. First one again, det of a minus b minus c, 2a 2b, b minus c minus a 2b, 2c 2c, c minus a minus b equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube. No. I think if you are there in classroom, nothing but you only told to me what to do, but you ultimately you are not there. That is a big problem. Okay, no problem. You are after you come back again once an explanation is given. Okay, now what is the RHS value is there? Plus terms are there, a plus b plus c, nothing but what you have to think, either addition of rows or addition of columns we have to apply. Now solution, given that net of a minus b minus c, 2a 2b, b minus c minus a 2b, 2c 2c, c minus a minus b. Now addition of rows or addition. First you think that addition of rows, a minus b plus 2b plus b minus c plus 2c plus c, that means a plus b plus c. Is there or not? One value you observe, one value exists, nothing but automatically remaining values are exist only, no need to think. That means in case you apply column operation, a plus 2a, 3a plus 2a, 5a is there. It is not there, students. That's why I think that. Now what is operation here? R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3 important. R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3 is important. Get off. Tell me. A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Again, top to bottom. 2A plus B minus C minus A plus 2C. But 2A plus 2B plus C minus A minus B. Clear? Remaining rows automatically constant. 2B, B minus C minus A 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. That of product A plus B plus C minus B plus 2B plus B minus C plus 2C plus C. Here also A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. 2B, B minus C minus A 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. So first row, what is common factor? A plus B plus C is a common factor. Take outside. A plus B plus C outside at of 1, 1, 1. 2B, B minus C minus A 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. How many problems are finished, students? 1, 1, 1 is there nothing but what to do? Subtraction of columns. So C2 gives C2 minus C1, C3 gives C3 minus C1. Now A plus B plus C into that of first column is constant. 1, 2B, 2C constant. Left to right is called columns. 1 minus 1, B minus C minus A minus 2B, 2C minus 2C. Third column. 1 minus 1, 2B minus 2B, C minus A minus B minus 2C. Is clear? Minus 2C. Now A plus B plus C into net of 1, 0, 0, 2B. Here B minus 2B minus B, minus B minus A minus C, nothing but minus A common. Minus common, A plus B plus C, 2B minus 2B is 0. Now 2C, 0. Here also C minus 2 is nothing but minus common. Minus common nothing but A plus B plus C. Now A plus B plus C into directly applied here. So 1 into corresponding row, corresponding column delete. AD minus BC minus into minus plus A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C whole square. 0, 0, no need. Therefore A plus B plus C whole square. So A plus B plus C whole square into A plus B plus C, nothing but it is A plus B plus C whole cube. How much very easy, students? Be careful first. RHS. You apply the operations depends on RHS value only. Clear? Here you look at here RHS. That is important. Plus plus terms are there, add with rows or add with columns. Minus terms are there, subtraction of rows or subtraction of columns. Otherwise, take your choice. Okay? Whatever you do, ultimately answer is very, very important. This is our 10th first question. Next, second question, and the second one, delta x plus y plus 2z x y z y plus z plus 2x y z x z plus x plus 2y is equal to 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Now, solution. Given that delta of x plus y plus 2z x y z y plus z plus 2x y z plus x plus 2y. Now, what is RHS value? That is very, very important from this all questions. 2 into, again, plus terms are there. X plus y plus z terms, nothing but again you are add with rows or add with columns to look at one value. First add with rows. X plus y, 2z plus z, 3z plus 4z. It is not come. X plus y plus z is there. You apply row operations. That row operation is failed. Again you apply column operation. Column operation nothing but either left to right or right to left. So here x 2x, y 2y plus 2z is there, students. 2 common nothing but x plus y plus z is common. Let's say what is operation here? C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. Very simple. Like this. Left to right or right to left. Here add with the first column or first column add with all columns. So otherwise second column add with all columns. Third column add with all columns. In general, C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now, right to left. Now tell me here what happened here. X plus y plus 2z plus x plus y. Next one. Z plus y plus z plus 2x plus y. Next one. Z plus x plus z plus x plus 2y. Automatically the remaining two columns are constants. X, y, y plus z plus 2x, y, x, z plus x plus 2y. Now delta x, 2x, 2y, 2z, 2 common, 2 common, x plus y plus z. 2z, 2x, 2y, 2 common, x plus y plus z. Here also x plus y plus z. Remaining 2 columns are constants. X, y, y plus z plus 2x, y, x, z plus x plus 2y. Now first column complete 2 into x plus y plus z is common. Not in this came or not? Common factor. 2 into x plus y plus z is common. Outside nothing but 1xy, 1y plus z plus 2xy, 1x, y plus x plus 2y. So 1 is there nothing but applying. What happened? Applying column row operation. R3 gives R2 minus R nothing but this term is 0. R3 gives R3 minus R nothing but this term again goes to 0 only. 1 is there nothing but column. 1 is there nothing but subtraction of rows. Now R2 gives R2 minus R1. R3 gives R3 minus R1. 2 into x plus y plus z. Tell me. Here 1 x, y constant. 1 minus 1 y plus z plus 2x minus x, 2x minus x, top to bottom it is y minus y. 1 minus 1 x minus x, y plus z, y plus this is z, z plus x, z plus x plus 2y minus y. Okay. Now 2 into x plus y plus z, get off 1 x y, 1 minus 1 0, 2x minus x x plus y plus z, y minus y 0, 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0. So 2y minus y, y only, x plus y plus z. Already number of zeros are more, therefore applying direct method, positive, negative, positive. Now 2 into x plus y plus z, 1 into corresponding row, corresponding column, AD minus BC, x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. Minus BC nothing but 0 only. Minus x into straight column, straight row. It is 0, it is 0. Plus y into straight column, straight row. 0, 0. It is also 0 now. Therefore 2 into x plus y plus z into this term, x plus y plus z whole square, x plus y plus z whole square. So it is 1 a power m into a power n nothing but a power m plus n. Therefore 2 into x plus z y whole cube. This is your fourth question. Next question. One more question here. 12th question. 12th question. Det of 1x square. X square 1 x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x square 1 minus x cube 1 minus x cube whole square. Students, look at here. What value is there here? 1 minus x cube is there. 1 minus x minus is there nothing but either subtraction of rows or subtraction of columns. One value look at. Now, subtraction of rows nothing but r2 plus r2 minus r1 apply. X square minus 1 is there. But 1 minus x cube it is won't come. What value look at? If it is come, no problem. It is not come, left. Again go for columns. C2 gives C2 minus C1, nothing but it is x minus 1. It is won't come again here. What value is there? 1 minus x cube. That's why here subtraction of rows and subtraction of columns failed. Then what to do? Is it clear? Then ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Modify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Modify ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? That means 1 x square x is there. 1 x square is there. We add with the rows nothing but what happened here? Solution r1 gives r1 plus r2 plus r3. Modified. This is modified. All the operations, all the row operation and the column operation failed nothing but you little bit modified. You get ultimate answer. R1 gives r1 plus r2 plus r3 nothing but 1 plus x square plus x here x plus 1 plus x square plus x plus 1. Clear? Remaining two rows are constants. X square 1x x square 1. So ultimately first row 1 plus x square 1 plus x square like this, it is common factor. 1 plus x square common. Therefore 1 x square 1x square 1 is clear. You know that 1 is there nothing but what to do? Subtraction of columns are left to right. C2 gives C2 minus C1. C3 gives C3 minus C1. Now 1 plus x square into net of 1 x square x. First column is constant. C2 gives nothing but C2 column only change. C3 gives C3 minus C1. You practice 2-3 times, you are perfect in all problems. That's all. It is 1 minus 1 minus x square minus x. Is clear? Like this. 1 minus 1 x minus x square 1 minus x. Now 1 plus x square net of 1 0 0 x square. It is clearly a square minus b square. What is formula of a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Here x common both terms. X common, it is 1 minus x. Clear? Here also Here also minus x common nothing but here it is 1 minus x minus x minus into minus plus x into x, so square. Clear? Here it is 1 minus x. Now 1 plus x plus x square into is clear, students? This column 1 minus x is common. Clear? Third column again 1 minus x is common. So common factor take outside with multiplied. We get multiplied. What fifth product? So second column 1 minus x is common. Third column 1 minus x is common. Therefore let off. Here it is the x. Tell me 1 x square x. Here 0. 1 minus x take outside nothing but remaining term 1 plus x. Here 1 minus x outside nothing but it is minus x. 0 x 1. Already 1 minus x outside 0 x 1 only. Anybody, this value is nothing but what is since? What is a cube minus b cube formula? What is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Therefore here a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is clear. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So automatically it is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, nothing but this is known as 1 cube minus x cube into. Is clear? What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square into 1 minus x into. So positive, negative, positive. So 1 into corresponding row, corresponding column delete. 1 into 1 plus x ad minus bc minus the minus plus x square. Don't write 0 terms. So 1 cube minus x cube nothing but 1 cube nothing but 1 minus x cube into. It is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Again it is a form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is nothing but a cube minus b cube. So 1 cube minus x cube into 1 cube minus x cube. 1 minus x cube into it is 1 minus x cube. Both 1 minus x cube whole square. This is one not. If any ideas are there, nothing but. If any ideas are there, nothing but to apply it. It is not. It cannot be wrong. You apply proper way. So one problem, one method, one problem, one method. Don't apply. You are confused. You apply all methods. You apply only. You follow one style. You get it simplest. Simple method, simple problems. That is your 12th sum. Next question. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining things. So dear students, you practice, you are perfect, you practice it, don't waste your time. Thank you very much.